Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 6 from the chapter of magnetism and matter. The topic is the calculation of the change in the magnetic dipole moment due to the change in the shape of a bar magnet. So based on this topic, I have one question for this session which is written here on this board, and this is the figure which was provided along with this question. So here a bar magnet of length L and magnetic dipole moment capital M is bent into an arc as shown in this figure. So we have to calculate the new magnetic dipole moment. So we have four options here and we have to find the correct option. Now the magnetic dipole moment, as we all know, is equal to pole strength multiplied by the magnetic length. So here the magnetic dipole moment is given to us as capital M, and M here is the pole strength and L is the magnetic length. So here the magnetic length is equal to L, and M is the small m is the pole strength and capital M is the magnetic dipole moment. So the original magnetic dipole moment, that is when the bar magnet was straight. So in that case the magnetic dipole moment, that is capital M, is equal to M into L. Now when it is bent into an arc as shown in this figure, then I will be using the formula, that is in the case of an arc, let us say this is an arc of a circle and this is angle theta and the length of the arc is say S and this is the radius. So S is equal to R theta, and I will be using this formula now in order to calculate the new magnetic length. So when this is bent into the form of an arc, then here L will be equal to R into theta. Now theta is equal to 60 degrees, so this is equal to pi by 3. So from here, this value R, it implies that R will be equal to 3L upon pi. So the new magnetic moment, say M dash, this will be equal to M into the new magnetic length, and so the new magnetic length will be equal to 3L divided by pi. So this will be equal to 3L M upon pi. Now from here, see the magnetic dipole moment, that is capital M, is equal to M into L. So M into L will be substituted by capital M. So this will be equal to 3M upon pi. So the new magnetic dipole moment will be equal to 3M upon pi, and the correct option will be the option A, that is 3M upon pi. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question which will be based on the magnetic dipole moment. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.